Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Floke CRM tutorial. Whether you're a one-man team or a small business or you're a freelancer, this is definitely the CRM for you, as it is designed for easy usage and you can get started for free. So what you'll do is go in the link in the description and you can tap on that link, or you can either go to floke.app and you can quickly create an account. So we're going to tap on try for free. After selecting try for free, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can start signing up using your email address. Then after you have done that, you will be redirected to a page like this, and you can enter in your first, last name and your company name. Then you can decide what type of company do you work for, so you can select whichever one of these options. Let's say I were to select small business. Then what is your company size? You can select that. How many teammates will be using Floke, and you can select the amount of teammates right there. So let's say 2 to 3. Then you'll tap on next. Then what brings you to Floke, whether you'd like to sell more, recruit talent, raise money, invest money, or connect with partners, or something else. You can select whichever one of these options. Let's say we were to select sell more. Then you're going to tap on next. From here, you can choose to connect either your Gmail or you can connect Outlook. And I'm just going to tap on no. Then you can also install their Chrome extension, and I'll tap on download later. Then you're going to tap on start free trial, and you'll be provided with a 14-day free trial period. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And again, you'll see the option to insert, or better yet, you can connect your contacts by tapping on connect your email, or you can choose to import them via file by tapping on choose and import. Let's say, for example, we were to add some sample contacts. So we're going to tap on create sample, and it is going to add 10 sample companies, as you can see right here. So this will basically be how your sales pipeline will look. And you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on leads pipeline, and you could select lead pipeline, and then from there you could add people to your lead pipeline. So for example, you could tap on add people in the top left hand corner. Then you can add any one of the sample persons, or you could choose to create person by tapping on create. From here you can put in the person's name, then you could select company, and you could put in the company information, whether it is a person or a company, as you can see right there. So that's how you'll be able to create a lead. And you can view all your leads by tapping on all leads. If we were to add a sample lead, let's say this person right here, which is a sales rep, all you'll need to do is select it, and you can see they have been added right there. And when you have added your team members, you'll also be able to assign leads, and you can also see different options that you can choose from by tapping on the three dots. With this, you'll be able to do new interactions. You can also set up reminders. You can choose to send email, call, or you can add a note to show how it is progressing. You can also go back to the sales pipeline by tapping on sales pipeline from the left hand menu option. From here we could tap on sales pipeline. After doing that, if you would like to add a new person to your sales pipeline, you can tap on add people. Then from there you could tap on create person, or you could tap on company and you could create a company. You can also view all your prospects by tapping on all prospects from the left hand menu option. And again, you could add prospects by tapping on add people. You can either choose to import, or you can tap on create person, and you could create a prospect or create a company, better yet. So that's how you'll be able to add persons to your sales pipeline or your leads pipeline. Now, if we were to go over to the top left hand corner, I would like you to tap on settings and members. After tapping on setting and members, this is where you'll be able to invite members by tapping on invite members right there. You can also access the different integrations that are available by selecting integrations from the top left hand corner. From here you can integrate LinkedIn, Outlook, Zapier, and so much other platforms you can quickly integrate right there. And that's about it. Floke CRM is straight to the point, easy to use, and it's perfect for a small team. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.